friends, welcome to Combrella YouTube channel. So the Tamil Nadu election results are out and DMK has emerged as the winner in this political elections. So after this change in the politics of Tamil Nadu, there is one share which you should consider buying, or which you can consider buying, or at least have it in your radar to buy in the near short term future, and it is none another than Sun TV network. So, in my opinion, friends, after these elections, Sun TV will have some mileage going forward in the future, and its business should actually grow and improve also in the coming years, as we can think of. And so, which will ultimately impact the share price. In my opinion, I think the share price of the Sun TV will increase in the future from now onwards for at least the next couple of years, or at least 5 years, definitely. So that particular share, just if you can have it in your radar and see, and you can buy at the right price, it will be a great stock which you can pick up in the years as we see. Also, one of the reasons is that it has been performing well for the last 10 years. If you see, the revenues and profits are actually growing consistently over a period of 10 years. So that is also one of the reasons why you can have this stock in your radar. Also, I've given in the description the link as to how the DMK and the Sun TV are connected to each other. You can check out that description, and you can check out that link also and find out more about Sun TV. Plus, this just one word of caution which I would like to tell all the people is that don't think of making short-term immediate windfall gains in next 2 or 3 months. No, that might be a little bit difficult. So try to have a target of 1 year or 2 years. If you have that, definitely you can make some decent amount of profits by buying these shares. So that is what my pick and what update which I wanted to give you all. And do let me know in the comment section whether you think the share price of Sun TV will increase from now onwards for the next 5 years or not. Thank you for watching this video. Till next time, thank you and namaste.